Today we try to figure out what turned this old boomer into this guy that swerves in and out of traffic, chasing motorcycles and flickering his high beams. In an exciting episode of Chill the Fuck Out, Male Karen. So we return to the intersection where I first saw this guy. Pull up in my lane, I'm sitting at the red light, and we take off. Get going. Move on through. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up 10 times. As you can see, not anywhere near me. Maintaining my roughly 55 mile an hour pace. Not, doing anything crazy. Car in front of him obviously catches up a little bit and backs off, and there we go. Next light, quite a few miles down the road, he's there. Starts taking my picture for some reason. Speed up a little bit, and here we go. We get going. Nothing crazy. The cars to the right of me make their right-hand turn, so I go ahead and switch into that lane after it opens up. And he flies up right behind me. Starts flickering his high beams for some reason. No idea what his deal is. Guess motorcycles being able to go faster than his truck is pretty upsetting. And at this point I get up to my 70-something mile an hour speed, kind of holding on for dear life while I hit these bumps in the Pennsylvania highway. He goes for a nice little pass when he finally catches up. Whatever, he's going probably about 90 or so. I'm still trying to figure out the double standard of being upset that a motorcycle went quick from a stoplight, so you eventually do felonious speeds to catch up with them and go fast because you're mad they went fast. I eventually switches lanes up there, starts hitting his brakes. I figure he's probably getting ready to get off at the off-ramp there. And he starts slowing down quite a bit more. Gets up next to me. Can't really see it, but he's flipping me off there, giving the old jack-off hand gesture, and at this point it's pretty obvious he's not getting off the off-ramp. Flashes his high beams again, has his turn signal on. Flashes them again, just stays behind me. Almost gets in a nice little accident here with that car merging because he's so intent on staying behind me. When he gets up close, he gives me a nice little honk here. And after reviewing all this, it's pretty obvious that he just got mad because a motorcycle went fast, and in response, he went fast. Rolls down his window. When he passes, gives me a couple more honks here, and then he's on his way. Moral of the story is Karens make motorcycle riding way more dangerous.